This is what we used to show it, right? These are 3 prepped class 1 cavities. This is a B1, A2, and A4 Vita teeth. You can see they have class 1 cavities prepped. This is what they look like after they're filled with ACTIVA Bulk Flow Universal Shade. And just take a look at how well it blends into all 3. A2, of course, is going to be the best, and A4 actually looks amazing, as well as the A1. And our ShadeFusion works a little bit differently. There's a bit of color and chroma in there to give it a true chameleon effect. It's not ultra translucent like some of our competitors, and so you're not going to see a lot of discoloration underneath, and you don't need to use an opaquer in most cases. Remember, this is a dual pure material, so it's part of making really the ultimate class 2 bulk fill. We wanted to pass on that property to this newest product, because dual curing is going to ensure that deepest level of cure and an unlimited depth of cure. For those deep cavities, you still want to do a light cure, and that helps with the especially surface layers. That dual cure mode or self-cure mode is going to give you that confidence deep down in those cavities where you may have some issues with accessing the light. As long as you achieve a nice good seal with a class 1 or a class 2 with your matrix systems, you get that confidence of cure. Now let me do the A4, and I think that's really where it really starts to, you can see the benefit of the ShadeFusion. And our customers tell us, they wanted one shade because they don't want to have to, do a color match in front of the patient. It's time consuming. It's prone to error in lighting. This one shade color matching technology is going to save you time and, of course, inventory complexity. You don't have to think about it. Just get the universal shade and you're good to go.
This is great, and I think that brings us to a good point where if you're interested in trying the material, the product is available in the United States, available in the European market, other markets. So we're very excited about what's to come. I appreciate the tour here. Thanks everybody for watching. Good to see you. Take care, everybody.